Just like humans need raincoats, houses need foundation waterproofing. Sometimes raincoats stop protecting you from the rain, and over time, the original waterproofing on your home can degrade. And the first place to suffer is your basement. Fortunately, the professionals at Aquatech Waterproofing have over 25 years of experience and are leaders in the Mississauga waterproofing industry. Many homeowners struggle with water-related damage and find they need either basement waterproofing or foundation crack repair. And Aquatech is here to help. Our expert technicians are friendly and knowledgeable professionals with all the right solutions to your waterproofing problems. With fast, reliable, and guaranteed service anywhere in Mississauga. Whether you have a leaky basement, cracked foundation, an all-out flood, or any other waterproofing problem, we can take care of it at an unbeatable price. Contact us for your free consultation and estimate today.